Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make $2,000 online for free. All you need to do is to go to the website called remotasks.com. This website will help you to earn in US dollars doing online tasks from home. This is a very popular platform and it has more than 240,000 taskers. Scroll down and as you can see you can easily meet entrepreneurial taskers like you. With a total of more than 240,000 taskers and more than $15 million total earnings, this website is available from more than 90 countries in the world. Now it's time for you to know how it works. Do tasks, get paid. It's that simple. From labeling images to transcribing audio, earn money completing simple tasks. This process is done in 3 different ways. First one is to learn easily. Learn how to do tasks with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. Second one is to complete tasks. Work on tasks from projects you've unlocked. Lastly, get paid in US dollars weekly. Get paid fast via PayPal or RTM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. Remotasks has a flexible schedule because you can work anywhere, at any time. If you want to learn more about becoming a remotasker, you can read all the following frequently asked questions. As you scroll down you can find videos about success stories of taskers who uses this website. And you can listen to them so that you can understand the tips that they use to become good remotaskers. Now it's time to be a member of Remotasks and all you need to do is to go up at the top of the page and click on the sign up button. You can now click on this box that says I agree to the terms of service and EU DPA and then proceed into continuing the creation of your account through Facebook or Google. Once you're done with registration you will now be able to complete tasks on your dashboard. And it will help you gain money for free. That's it for today's video, thanks for watching.